Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile and powerful tool that every handyman, technician, and outdoor enthusiast should consider adding to their arsenal, the Klein Tools 56040 magnetic LED flashlight with laser pointer. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Klein Tools 56040? This is not just your average flashlight. It's a rechargeable LED flashlight that packs a punch with 350 lumens of brightness and also features a laser pointer for pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're working in the dim light of a basement, under the hood of a car, or out on a camping trip, this flashlight is designed to provide reliable illumination and convenience. Let's talk about the standout features. First off, the flashlight has two modes, a high setting that delivers 350 lumens for up to 6 hours and a low setting that gives you 125 lumens for a remarkable 12 hours. This means you can use it all day without worrying about running out of battery, making it ideal for long work sessions or extended outdoor adventures. Next, the adjustable focus is a game changer. The twist focus lens allows you to easily transition from a spotlight to a floodlight. This flexibility means you can illuminate a small, concentrated area or light up a wider space, depending on your needs. And if you're working hands-on, the strong magnetic end cap is incredibly useful. It allows for hands-free operation, so you can attach it to metal surfaces and focus on your task without holding the flashlight. This feature is especially beneficial for electricians or mechanics who often need both hands for their work. Portability is another key aspect of this flashlight. It comes with a removable pocket clip and an integrated lanyard hole, making it easy to attach to your belt or backpack. If you're out hiking or camping, you can simply clip it onto your gear and have quick access when needed. Another feature worth mentioning is the built-in battery gauge indicator. The tricolored LED provides a clear visual of your power level, so you'll know exactly when it's time to recharge. This is particularly useful when you're deep in a project and need to ensure your flashlight will last. Now, who is this flashlight suitable for? It's perfect for professionals like electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians who require bright, reliable light for detailed work. But it's also great for DIY enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers who need a sturdy flashlight for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Speaking of practical use cases, imagine you're working on a home repair project late in the evening. You can easily grab this flashlight, adjust it to a floodlight mode, and illuminate your workspace. If you need to point out specific areas to a colleague or family member, the laser pointer feature helps you do so with pinpoint accuracy. Or, if you're out camping and need to find something in your tent or illuminate the path in front of you, the Klein flashlight has got you covered. In summary, the Klein Tools 56040 magnetic LED flashlight is a robust, multifunctional tool that combines convenience, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or someone who enjoys outdoor activities, this flashlight is built to meet your needs.